Hello, welcome to my playback for my beauty business people. This is going to be a really great marketing live for you. I want you to listen to what I have to say and check out some of the things that we are working with today. Hi Liz, hi Dana, hi Jennifer. And I want you just to kind of like take it all in and think about how this can spice up your business or help in little ways. So what I want to tell you is that Couture has several transfers that are specialized for beauty businesses. For example, this one right here is for hairdressers, stylists, salon owners. It's geared toward hair. And then this one right here is geared toward other beauty. So fabulous lash extensions, fiber, thicker and longer lashes, salon, serum, gel, eyelashes, 3D fill. So any sort of salon that works with eyelashes or eyelash extensions, or you put on fake lashes, or if you are a unique distributor, this works really well, like the 3D fiber lashes. So you can use this to make business signs for your booth if you are at an event. You can change out the colors based on season. It's really great to have something like this. We also have a makeup, and I don't have it in stock. So there's one with makeup that has all the makeup words, all the different types of brushes, which is really awesome. Hi Tracy, hi Mary, hi Monica and Dawn, hi Laurel, hi Anita and Donna. Hi, Julie. Then this other one that I have in stock is geared toward lips. So I know I have many lip sense consultants out there, and even if you're a unique consultant, or if you work in a salon, or if you work, you have your own business. Hello, beautiful. You look gorgeous. Color, lipstick. This is really cool. Book, host, schedule, special, gloss or matte, scents, full lip gloss, and then there are different lips, and then you can put colors onto this. So you could like make a red, a pink, a peachy, you know, whatever, and then just the word lips. But today, we are going to use I'm going to make something that I feel like is a really useful thing. You could use several different types of boards, or if you are in your own business, so my thought is every time I go to the salon and I get my hair done, at the end, they give me a mirror and I can see the back of my hair. So I thought this is really cute, and it's a cute way to display this. We're going to make a sign. Now, this is one of our mini bracket boards. It's one of our least expensive boards. We're going to put some words on here, and you could add images to yours. And then at the end, we can add this magnet, and you can hang your mirror on the one that you hand to your guest. You can hang your mirror on it. These boards come with this twine, but you could add ribbon or anything, any detail that makes it blend in with the decor of your shop. And so that's really cool. These are very sturdy magnets, very sturdy. It takes a lot of effort to pull it off. You could do this right on your mirror, actually, in your salon, however you want. And you can add other images too to that. I'm gonna only use a few words and just kind of show you how you can use Couture in your business for just kind of spicing it up, giving your clients just a little something extra. And I thought this was really cute. And if you are one to do like vendor events and things of that nature, I feel like you could make many, they have like cool chalkboard signs, or you could do mirror signs that stand up on your booth with any of these words. So what we're gonna do is something kind of cool. I'm gonna do a little ombre on the U with some, we've got coral, we have dreamsicle, and we have peachy. And we're just gonna do a little ombre, which is super cute these days. And I just wanna get that stirred up. And then our dreamsicle's a little, so we've got like a darker, that's our coral. Hi Cindy, hi Christy, hi Holly, hi Olivia, hi Sunday. Then we've got our dreamsicle, which is looking good. And our peachy, which will be our light color. And this U is a nice big font. So I really like it. Goodness gracious. Hi Ashley. Hi Annette. Hi Barbara. Hi Danielle. Okay, so I'm just going to dab. Don't need a lot at all. I'm just going to dab some color throughout the bottom of this. And I will go ahead and squeegee this through. Real, real easy. Just kind of, there we go. Put the excess back. And then I will do my next color. Got a lot of drips on there. So we'll do this. This is our dreamsicle. I just love this color. And I'm just going to use the same one. And what I'm doing, a lot of times when I've done the blending, I've used my finger to kind of blend the two colors. I'm using my squeegee this time to blend those two colors. Now I'm not going to put this back in my container. I'm just going to kind of wipe it off and move on to the peachy. This is definitely a pink-ish peachy color. And since I wiped this off, we'll just go with that. There we go. There we go. Now it's spreading. I might need a little bit more of it. I guess there's a little more area than I thought. That's okay. So this is going to look really cute when I'm totally done. And again, you can do this on any surface. So a window, a mirror, a wooden board, a chalkboard, a canvas. All right, here's my peel and reveal. Uh-oh, I dried out. Let me go back. Bummer. That has not happened to me in like forever. I apparently was taking too long. So I'm just going to give it a couple squirts, and I'm going to go back with some of this. And I'm going to try try to fix it. And if I don't, this is a quick fix for me to do it over. Okay, there we go. Look, I redeemed myself. It's a beautiful U. It's peachy, dreamsicle, and coral. You could do it all one color. I just wanted to show a little ombre because I love to do that. Grab my towel to dry off my hands. And thank you for the thumbs up. I love thumbs up. So listen, hi Heidi, hi Nikki. If you know somebody, and this is just, you know, if you think that this would be good for somebody who actually owns a business and maybe you don't, or they have a beauty business, share this or invite them to view this. It's public, so anyone can watch it, and that will really help me and them, because I have dropped this too many times. You know, I'm just drying this so that I can put my next layer on. You know that I do open chalk nights where people can come and make signs with my products. And so even if they're not ready to jump in and like purchase their own transfers, they could still do something like this at my home, as long as I have. I want to make sure that this, yes, this will fit. So we're gonna do look and then amazing, and I'm doing the look amazing in a totally different color. We are going to use Caribbean, which is one of my super favorite colors, and I really love the peach and the Caribbean together. They complement each other quite well. This is very liquidy compared to my others, so I'm just going to do it really quick, and then I'm going to show you a quick a trick. All right, so there you go. Look at that, how that word disappeared. Caribbean is like the same color as our transfers. So I'm going to peel that off, and really quickly I'm sticking this down to my nonstick mat, and I'm going to knock over my, oh geez, I knocked over my computer. Okay, so then hi Jennifer. I'm going to take a wipe, and I'm just going to wash off the top of it. I'm going to lay this back down over here, and I don't want any of this on the rest of my thing. So now I'm going to flip it, and I'm just going to wipe the top, making sure it's clean. I'm going to dry this with my towel. I'm putting it back on my nonstick mat and drying the top with my towel. So that will be pretty much dry when I peel it up. And I want to make sure all of this gets dry before I put it down. You look marvelous. Actually, amazing. You look amazing. Hi, Christy. Hi, Betsy. So again, if you or someone you know works in the beauty industry, has a beauty business, anything like that, please share this video with that person or invite them right now. There's a button at the bottom where I believe you can invite friends. So let me make sure that looks good. I'm going to hold it up. Yeah, I think it looks fairly good. I might just, oh no, I'm gonna leave it. It looks good. We're gonna go back in with our same Caribbean. This whole live is just about using some of our products in marketing products, signs, decor in your in a salon or a spa, wherever your business is. Or how many of you give your stylist, your hairstylist, a gift for Christmas or for birthdays? This would be a really, really great thing to give them that keeps on giving, because this is reusable. They can change it up how they want. They can use all of the other pieces in different areas. They can make little cute, inexpensive decor things that look really, really nice. So the sign says, "You look amazing." And remember, hi Robin and Monica, I was gonna stick this little magnet hook. Can you guys see? It's a magnet hook, and you can hook, and I don't have one here, but you can hook your mirror, the handheld mirror that they always give you at the end of your appointment, so that you can look at the back of your hair. Like, this is so cute. You can just leave it right there and hook that mirror. Or you can hang this above the mirror where everyone looks. Or you can do this right on your mirror. It's really, really awesome. So I've shown you the hair product transfers. We have the makeup and beauty brushes transfer. We have the lips transfer, the lashes transfer. You know, we even have the unicorn transfer. If you know anyone who is a LuLaRoe consultant, and they could do the unicorn. So there are many, many ways to use our products. We even have the build a drink transfer for people who maybe have a bar, own a bar, or even you have a home bar. You can make a really cute sign for that. We have the hot cocoa mocha transfer. So think outside the box for some really cute marketing, especially if you are the shop owner or like to decorate in there. And please share this with all of your beauty business friends. I thank you for watching. Make sure that you're a member of my Chalk Nation private group, because there are specials in there and bundles that I have that I cannot tell you about in a live video. I cannot tell you in public. I can only tell you about those in my private group. So thank you for watching. Love you all. Please share this video, and I need to go start watching the Vikings game. All right, bye-bye for now.